Okay, so we have done this one. Perl, we're going to move on to Python. It's 11:56. See how many we can get through here real quickly. I have to run idle. There we go. Going to get that one. That's our. Oh, this is the wrong one. Anyway, let's go get it from. Let's go get it from Code Warrior Malo. Open. I moved them all here. So that when I make it, it'd be done, right? Guess a number, pi. There we are. Whoop. That looks good. Okay. What do we need to do? Python. I think the only thing we need is import, right? Import random, I think is the only thing that we need imported. Functions are done by the word def. So this is an int. We can actually pass it stuff like this. It uses this full stop and then it uses space. Jesus. True and false are capitalized. So we're going to try here to make an integer out of val, out of our input, excuse me. Right? And we're going to catch that exception. Ret val will equal false, and then we will return ret val. Simple enough. Another def. This is the get numeric input. We did a prompt. Okay, so I think for us to do like a while true, I think we have to set something. Because I don't think we can break out. At least I don't know it offhand. I don't really want to crack the book at this point. So let's just do like a got and answer equals false, right? Let's get a return value equals 0. Let's do while not got answer. Then answer will equal the raw input because we want it to take this format. Prompt. So there's some good things and bad things of all languages, right? Like this raw input's kind of cool. It's kind of like string format built right in, but you gotta put format on the end of the string. Alright, if is an integer of our answer. We did get an answer, right? And our ret val can be our integer answer. Otherwise, we can print out your entry was not a number. Might need some, I don't know if print does carriage return line feed automatically. We'll find out, won't we? Whoops. Alright, now get input. We passed in a question. We're going to do the same thing like this. So I'm gonna copy pasta. And this is question. But in this case, return val is going to be a string. Alright. Oops. Didn't mean to hit my mic, sorry. Oh, alright, so So we want to make sure that answer is not blank. If it is, we're going to say your entry seems empty. Else got answer true. Ret val equals answer. I guess we could just send back answer, but we're going to do that. Just so they look the same, right? Oops, that doesn't go there. It goes all the way back here. That's the problem with Python. Okay, if the what def ask to play again. We're gonna do this. Oh, I think I still have that pasted, copied. I mean, got answer. This will be a bool this time. We are going to reutilize our get input here. Would you like to play a game? I believe we're going to go to upper here. I think it's just upper. I believe we have to escape them here. We'll find out. I think this is true. Most languages that I've used have have escape characters for. Yep, I screwed that one up, didn't I? For their double quotes. All right. I think that's right. So if it's yes, if ans equals yes, or ans equals yes, then ret val equals true, and got ans equals true. This is the real problem, I think, with Python. It uses things like equals equals to give you a false sense of it being an actual language. But it's not, because of this. Elif. I'm going to do an else. Else if is elif. What the? Oh, and this says and. It should be ans. Ans equals no, or ans equals n. Ret val equals false, but got ans is going to equal true. And then else, we're going to print out. Oh wait, this one was the please. I almost put your entry seems empty. Please respond with yes or no. I think I'm done there. Back to here, we can return ret val. My fingers are failing on me here. Alright. We can do final one for run. Oops, gotta do that. Okay, so this one does have a random seed. We can do that. We set our running to be true. Set our got max number to be false. Our max number to be 0. Our answer to be 0. Oops, no semicolons. Our game over to be false, and our tries to be 0. So now we're going to do a while. This is our main loop, right? We've done like 5 times already. So we're going to do before I do that, I almost forgot. Guess a number. Python. almost forgot. Okay, so this is a while running. We are going to do this stuff and this spaced in stuff while not got max number. We're going to do this. Max number is going to equal get numeric input. Please enter the maximum number you wish to use. What happened? Why is my screen so crappy? Boop, boop. Almost put a semicolon. I don't want to do that. If max number greater than 0, we got the max number. We're going to get a random number equals random integer 1 to max number, and this one is inclusive. Game over equals false. Tries equals 0. Print. Okay, I am thinking of a number between 1 and that format max number. I think that's right. I'm thinking of between yeah, that seems right. Otherwise, when you say print the maximum number should be greater than 0. Alright, so now we backspace here and we say guess equals get numeric input. Ah, man, look at this. My fingers are getting lazy, getting sleepy. Guess a number between 1 and format that max number. There. Tries equals tries plus 1. So if guess is greater than answer, it already did it for me. Print too high. If guess is less than answer, print too low. If guess equals answer, we're going to do if tries equals 1, print you got it in 1 try. Hooray! Else, dang, print you got it in tries. Right. Game over will be true if game over we said running to ask to play again. If running got max number equals false. I've got to go all the way back here. Great. I think that's lined up. Print. Thanks for playing. Print. Toot toot toot. Game over. Toot toot toot. And then all that's left is come all the way back here and type run. It will run that function. Now, my prediction is it will not run the very first time that I try. It took us 15 minutes to write this. So Perl's fast, but I've also, Python's faster, I guess, to type. But I've also now made it, 4 times or something? So, but I really feel like it's not going to run. I ran the Python shell. That's not right. Oh, okay, well, that's problem number 1. Random is not defined. Oh. Jeez. Oh, there's no module named random. What did I do wrong? Okay, so let's see where it said random is not defined. Global name random is not defined. Oh, I think it's lowercase. Did I do it here too? No, I did okay there. Yeah, woohoo, look at that. 0. Maximum should be 10. Okay, I'm thinking number 110. 5. Too low. 8. Hey! Hey, it was 8, just like the other one. Yeah, I want to play again. 10. 5. 3. 4. Oh, so it is doing character return, so that's good. No. Alright, well, that one works. That was 17 minutes. I'm just going to jump right into the next one. So, let's go see what the next one was. We're done with this one. Oh, Java. It's going to be... Oops. I don't want to say that. Okay, so that's Eclipse. It's going to take a week to load, so we'll get that Eclipse. Eclipse stores your project in a folder called... Yeah, this is right. So what I want to do here is I want to just take that, okie dokie, and it'll eventually load. So while this is loading, let's talk about it. So we need to import that Java util. We're going to need to import like the stream reader, the buffered stream reader, and all kinds of stuff. Okay, so here we're up. Woohoo! All right, so here we go. So we are going to I gotta spell it right. Import java.u. Come on, what's going on? Util. I want everything. Okay. I'm gonna. What did it just do? Import java.io. I want the buffered thing. Oh, what's going on? I think it's called buffered reader. Why does it keep going back here? That is really weird. Import java.io exception. What is going on? I don't want to do... Okay, go away. Man, this is why I don't like Eclipse. I mean, it's like... It's a piece of junk. IO dot input stream reader. Hopefully it finds all this crap. Alright. Java is 100% object oriented, so it's got to be a class. Call it guess a number. We're going to do a private random here. We're going to do a private Boolean is an int. Java likes the camel case stuff. String input. I'm going to hide my I'm going to hide these at the end because that's how Java people do it, because they have issues. Equals integer dot parse integer. That's the one I want right here. And the arg is input. I'm going to return true. Oh, you know what? I've got to try and catch this, or it's going to say, you're not catching your exception. And that's why I did the exception, so one of the reasons. I'm going to have to use it for that buffered stream. It'll freak out over that. Because, for some reason, Java won't actually necessarily always get the console information. Why? I don't know. Numeric input. But you gotta catch that exception. String prompt. Come back here. Alright, so these are our endless loops. So while true... Oops. I said I was going to hide it. Oh, and I also didn't do it up here. I don't care. I'm gonna make them look like this. Yeah, there you go. While true. This is our system out print. We're gonna print out our prompt, followed by that. And then this is going to be our buffered thing. So we're going to get buffered reader, br, let's say, equals new buffered reader. Do a new input stream reader from, oops, system in. Go to the end. I want to go to the end. God. Eclipse. Really? Alright, so we're gonna get the answer from our buffer reader read line. If is an int ans, we will return integer parse int ans. And otherwise, we're going to print out. We're going to print a line here, so it gets the character return line feed. Your entry was not a number. Okay, so we got our try here, right? So now we're going to do our catch. I think, you know what? I think I could be wrong, but I think that I want to make it look just like all the crap that I see. Okay, so I think I can just catch exception. I think everything inherits from exception, all the exceptions. And I am not going to do anything in here. All right, I'm just going to catch it because I don't know what to do with it. I'm just going to stay in here. There, I don't think it's ever going to fail, but whatever. It'll yell at me if I forget to put try catches around stuff that whatever. Okay, so what am I doing now? I'm doing the get input. That was called question, right? Question. Alright, we're doing another endless loop. While true. We're going to do a system.out.println this time. we're going to print the question and the question mark. What doesn't it like there? It's right there. Oh. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna go just grab this because I need this, so. Okay, so now let's see so in this case, if answer doesn't equal null, and I think it's just not equals nothing, return answer. Means it's good. Otherwise, system out, print line, your entry seems empty. We'll catch our exception, and again, I'm just going to swallow it. Alright. Why doesn't it like question? Oh. Is that a G? Yeah. That's why. It was question. Private bool asked to play again. I know I'm being anal about it. While true, we're going to do string answer. We're going to use our get input, and we're going to say, would you like to play a game? If and s. So we can do this. So we're not going to do uppercase because we can do this like this. Whoa! Just went away. We can do this thing here. Equals where? This one. Equals ignore case. Yes. Or equals ignore case. Another string. No, same. Oh yeah, I guess it is another string. Then we're going to return true. I'm going to copy pasta this real quick. If it equals no or no, false. Whoops, no, this isn't Python. So let's say, oh, and then otherwise we're going to print, right? System.out.println. Please respond with I think that's right. Alright, so we'll do our public void run. We're going to make a new random. Boolean running equals, oops, equals true. Let's not make that mistake. Boolean got max number equals false. Integer max, max number equals 0, integer and SWR equals 0, Boolean game over equals false, and tries is 0, while while running, get back there, while not got max number, max number is going to equal get numeric input. What was our, I gotta look at the page. I don't remember what our thing is. It's getting late. Please enter the maximum. Please enter the maximum number you wish to use. If max number is greater than 0, then got max number is true. Our answer becomes a random next integer, max number plus 1. Our tries are 0. We are going to print system out. Print line, okay, comma, I am thinning of a number, NUMBR, between 1 and, we can concatenate like this. It's like integer to string, max number. Alright. Else, we will tell them that they screwed up. System out, print line. The maximum number should be greater than 0. Alright, end of the while. So now we start our guesses. So int guess equals get numeric input. Guess a number between 1 and integer to string, max number. Tries. If guess is greater than answer, system out, print line, too high. Too low. If guess equals answer, then if tries equals 1, system out.print line, you guessed it in 1 try, you get a prize. Else system.out.print line, you guessed it in integer to string, tries plus tries. Game is over. Get out of there. If game is over, running equals ask to play again. If running got max number equals false, done with that. Clean these up. So let's see, that's game is over. This is This is while running, right? I think. Yeah. So this is where we do our system.out.println. Thanks for playing. And our system.out.println. Game over. Alright, so now what we need is a public static void main with arguments, arg. It doesn't matter what you call it. I'm going to try to call it args. We've got to make a new one. Guess a number. G equals new. Guess a number. G.run. What up, G? There. Oops, sorry about hitting the mic again. You hit this, right? That's how you run this stupid thing? No, if there's error exists, show me the errors. So let's see. Debug. No. Errors in workspace. Why is it not telling me what's wrong? Okay, public gets a number. Let's add a space there. See if we can just eyeball them real quick. Oh. It's a boolean, not a bool. Alright, so there's another thing I screwed up. Let's find out where it is. Right there, Max Nuber. I like to double up on my uppercases apparently. Alright, let's try that. Bam. Alright, there we go. Oh, you know what we forgot to do? We didn't forget anything. I forgot to do a system out print line guess a number Java. The all-important header. There we go. Guess number Java. Please enter. Okay, well, we start with 0. Beautiful. 10. 1 and 10. 5. Too high. 3. Too high. Whoa. 1. Too low. 2. Yes, I would like to play again. 10. 5. Too low. 8. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Didn't we get something like that? And when we got that, that's because we forgot to do something else. And the other one was spelled wrong. I think that's the problem. 10, 5, 3, 1, yes, 10, 5, 8, 9, 10, yes, 10, 5, it's 10 again. Yes, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, alright. Well, seems like that one works. Alright, so it was 40 minutes to do all that crap. Those two. I'm gonna take a pause, I'm gonna take a break. It is 12:36. Gonna knock the next one out.